everyone, welcome back to Priyanka Dadwal's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great just like me. So today I'm going to take you on a wild and wonderful trip through the jungle safari at Kevadia Zoological Park, which is just 3 kilometers from the majestic Statue of Unity of Gujarat. Well, this amazing safari is open from 8 am to 5 pm, and just a heads up, it's closed on Mondays. Tickets are super affordable too, Rs 200 for adults and Rs 125 for kids aged between 3 to 15 years. Spread over 375 acres, this zoological park is home to over 170 animal species from Asia, Africa, America and Australia. So, get ready to witness the roaring Asiatic lions, the fierce Royal Bengal tigers and majestic leopards, all up close in enclosures that mimic their natural habitats. The safari also houses some gentle giants like rhinos, giraffe, zebras and 12 types of antelopes. It is perfect for kids and wildlife lovers. And don't miss the Fly High Aviary, one of the largest geodesic domes in India. It's home to stunning birds like macaws, cockatoos, pelicans, parrots, cranes and many more colorful beauties from all around the world. You will also spot the clever sloth bear, Indian wolves, hippos and many other fascinating creatures in their dedicated enclosures. With 16 different zones for mammals, carnivores, herbivores and even aquatic animals, the best way to explore is on foot. Walk, observe and enjoy nature in its raw beauty. Thanks to Soil to Soul Resorts Ekta Nagar for organizing such a smooth and memorable experience. Friends, this jungle safari at Kevadia is exceptionally well managed with a courteous and helpful staff. It matches the standards of many international zoological parks like Singapore, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Thailand and many more. The facilities are thoughtfully arranged, from easy access to drinking water to convenient transport options like golf carts and buses. The entire area is spotless and very well maintained, which truly enhances the overall experience. It's evident that the animals are well cared for. Their enclosures are clean and they're all happy, healthy and active. Electric vehicles make exploring the park hassle-free and kids are sure to have a great time here. Just a note for the first-time visitors. It's not a traditional jungle safari, but rather a beautifully designed zoological park. The best time to visit is in the morning for a more comfortable and lively experience. With the perfect blend of adventure, education and entertainment, this place is a must visit for families and wildlife lovers. I highly recommend it. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such amazing travel stories. And let me know your favorite animal in the comments below. Thank you. It's me, Priyanka Dadwal, saying ciao for now. Bye.